In this video, I will share with you how to limit access to one of your website pages in Hostinger Website Builder using a password. To do that, first log in to your Hostinger account, then go to Websites and select Websites List. Now click on this Edit Website button next to your website. If you have a long list of websites here and you want an easy way to distinguish between websites built using Hostinger Website Builder and other built using WordPress, just look for this little icon next to each website. This is a Hostinger Builder icon and this is a WordPress website icon. Now click on Edit Website. This is the same website here, and let's say I want to limit access to this reviews page using a password. All I need to do is to go to Pages and Navigation from this left side menu, and next to your desired page, click on this little wheel and select password. Enable this option. As you can see, limit access to this page by setting a password. This doesn't guarantee your information is fully secure. Click on or check this option. First, fill in your password here and you can customize the login page design and also text. Let's give this, you can edit the heading, subheading, placeholder text and also the button text. And for the footer, you can call it back to or edit it and it will be back to the home page. Now let's see the design. I will go with this third design. Click on save and always don't forget to update your website to not lose your editing. Now let's view this website live. Let's try to access the reviews page. As you can see, this is the reviews page URL and this is my title, subheading and the password. Fill in your password here, and before entering the password, as you can see, this is the back to text that I can edit and the link. Click on enter. As you can see, I instantly accessed the reviews page after filling my password. And this is how to password protect a page in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.